All right, so this is a little update of we did the living room, painted everything, all new outlets, put the artwork back up, and new blinds, and then also got this new couch. I covered it up to protect it, but you can kind of see what it looks like. I just want to protect it as much as I can because the cat climbs up on it. So new blinds. Put in all my books and pictures and stuff in there, and then pledged off the mantle and put some stuff on there, hung the art back up. I got a video on my Blink camera of a raccoon going up to the roof, so I heard some scratching in there the other night, so they're in there. I'm gonna have to go up there in the middle of the night when they're out and put chicken wire up. So I put this poster back up. I need to get it framed. And the next thing is going to be to clean out that closet and then do the bathroom. That's next weekend. So got new rug in here. So, and these recline too, which is nice. So another thing is going out there and standing in the front of that door and putting a varnish on it, and then taking off the wood on those pillars outside and putting up new stained wood. So that's it. Like and subscribe, comment.